What's going on, guys? This is Sam. This is the brand new product red iPhone 8 64GB model. I'm really excited to see how it looks in person, so let's go ahead and take it out of the box. The box is pretty much identical to iPhone boxes from September, although this one, because it is a product red special edition, probably a limited edition as well. So important to note that if you want to get this, it's probably not going to be on sale forever. If you want red, you should probably get it sooner rather than later. But on the box, you've got red iPhone text, red Apple logos, and of course the red iPhone 8 on the front. The story of the inside of the box is also pretty familiar. Once you take off the very top, you've got your materials right here, although in this version you do have a special product red insert. I was really hoping that we would have red Apple logos inside of here. I feel like that would make a lot of sense to go along with the collaborative product red effort, but they're just white like on any other regular iPhone 8. Setting that to the side, underneath of that is the product red iPhone 8. Looks incredibly red, it looks really good. We'll take a closer look at that in just one second. And of course underneath you have your Lightning headphones, your Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter, your power brick, and your standard USB-A to Lightning cable as well for actually charging the device. Unfortunately, nothing here is black or space gray or product red in the box. We don't have any special accessories. They are all absolutely identical to the accessories found in any other iPhone 8 box. Now let's go ahead and take the plastic screen protectors off the product red iPhone 8. It's a very good looking iPhone. It is my favorite color of the iPhone 8 now. I had a gold version before, which is quite subtle compared to this. I think the number one thing you should keep in mind if you're thinking about this color or looking at the product red iPhone 8 is that it's very flashy. Everyone that you know, your friends, people you don't know, are going to see this iPhone when you pull it out and say, wow, that looks really different or really bright. It's not subtle like space gray or silver/white or gold on the current iPhone 8. It's very bright, very punchy. So I like the new red color a lot, but I also love the colors of the bezels on the front. Last year Apple did red on the back and white on the front. This year we have red on the back and black on the front. And the red and black color combo this year, in my eyes, looks infinitely better than red and white last year. I think the red and white matched red's overall branding better, but this matches product red on an iPhone a lot better. It looks incredible. There's one last difference between this product red iPhone 8 and any other iPhone 8 on the market, and that is what's on the back. You've got the normal Apple logo in the middle, you have iPhone right there at the very bottom, but you also have the product red logo. On any other iPhone 8, you only have the Apple logo and iPhone. On this, it looks a little bit different. In addition to the device clearly being red, you have the product red branding right there below. So that's a quick look at the product red iPhone 8. There are no hardware differences on the inside. I want to make that very clear. The camera, screen, processor, iOS, everything else functions exactly the same on this device as it functions on any other iPhone 8. So please don't go to the Apple Store hoping that there are some improvements on the inside. But it does look great, and if you're in the market for a new iPhone 8, or if you have $700+ of extra cash laying around and you want to get the new color of the iPhone 8 just because it's the new color of the iPhone 8 like I did, you can do that as well, and I don't think you'll be disappointed. Anyway, if you enjoyed watching this video, it does help me out if you take 1 second to drop a like, and of course hit subscribe for more videos like this in the future. If you want to help support the channel, you can head over to shop.iupdateos.com, buy the iPhone 10 shirt I'm wearing right now, or something else that would be incredible. For now, I've been Sam. I hope all of you are doing great, and I'll talk to you in my next video.